If you wanted to start this hobby from scratch, basic kit. It could be a Jeep, it could be a plane, a ship, a boat, a racing car, a bike, whatever. Pair of tweezers. You can have a scalpel, but that is expensive. You can start with just a simple disposable knife. Another thing to possibly think of is maybe some snips. You've got your file of some sort and your glue. Tamiya glue, liquid glue is the way to go nowadays. It bonds the plastic together rather than just having this gloop of the olden days where you get the glue and it'd be everywhere. This is the way to go. Your tools, you're probably looking at 15 quid with a bit of glue, but your model kit can be anything from a fiver for 25 quid. The thing to get out of this hobby is, do you enjoy it? What you get in any kit, you'll get your instructions there, gives you all the list of the bits on there. A good quality model kit will have good quality instructions, and they're very detailed as to what part numbers go on what place. And they'll all come in what these are called sprues. Every bit of that kit is in one of these, and here we have the letter which is P and Q. So in the corresponding instructions there would be P6. You'd find that part which is P6, cut that off, goes to wherever it's supposed to go. The wheels and the hull pieces, they're all there, and your task is to put it together and hopefully come up with something resembling what the end of the instructions says. This is an American M1 Abrams tank, main battle tank, and you'll find with quite a lot of these kits nowadays there'll be what's called injection molding marks. So they're little marks where in the process of making this in the factory, when the molds come off like these, they come out of the machine and they leave little marks on there. So sometimes you've got to fill those marks in. This is my fortress of solitude. This is where I come to de-stress from my daily life. It's one of those things where you can just shut the door. You don't have to have a man cave like this. You can have a lap tray. You can have a corner in the dining room table, wherever it works for you. But you can escape those problems that you've had in the past and just focus 100% on building whatever it is you want to build. And at the end of it, if you come out of it and go, I really enjoyed that, and I'm really proud of my piece of work that I've done there, then it's worked. The hobby has worked.